Hey, everybody, and welcome back. It's Technologica with John and Lisa.
Today, we're talking about Google Photos, but not just, the usual stuff. This is about a brand new feature they're rolling out. It's called Ask Photos.
Oh, yeah, I've heard about this. It's supposed to be pretty amazing, like really different.
It is. Imagine actually being able to talk to your photo library, ask it questions, actually get answers back, just like you were talking to a person.
That's wild.
Mm-hmm.
And it actually works.
Yeah, so it's all powered by AI, like really powerful AI.
Okay, so before we go any further, I gotta ask, how does that even work?
Well, if you think about it, we've got years, maybe decades of our lives stored as photos, right?
Right, tons of pictures.
So Ask Photos uses AI to kind of unlock all that information. And it
Mhm.
doesn't just look at the photos themselves. We're talking location data, dates, times, even facial recognition to understand what's going on in your pictures.
Wow, that's a lot of data.
It is, but that's how it can be so smart.
So you've had a chance to mess around with Ask Photos.
I have, yeah. I managed to get on the wait list, and it's in limited release right now, but I got to play around with it, and honestly, it's impressive.
Really? What kinds of things can you ask it?
Well, that's the thing. You don't have to use keywords or anything. You just ask it a question. Like you'd ask a real person, when did we go to that Italian restaurant? Things like that.
No kidding. And it actually understands you.
Yeah, and it pulls up the right photos. It's amazing.
So what you're saying is this isn't just some, glorified search bar. This is different.
Oh, yeah, way different. It's understanding what you're asking, not just matching keywords. But it's still early. It has its limitations.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like what kinds of limitations?
Well, for example, I tried asking it about specific events, show me pictures from my friend's birthday party last year. And it wasn't as accurate. It pulled up some random photos from years ago.
Yeah. I guess it's got to be tough to teach a machine the difference between a birthday party and just, a casual dinner with friends.
Exactly. But when I asked it for pictures with specific people, it was spot on. I asked for photos with my friend Sarah, and it pulled up every single photo I've ever taken with her.
Wow. Okay. That's still super impressive.
It really is.
So where does it go from here? What's next for Ask Photos?
That's the million-dollar question, right? I mean, the possibilities are kind of endless. Imagine being able to ask your photos to show you every time you felt truly happy.
Wow. I've never thought of it like that.
It could change how we connect with our memories, even rediscovering forgotten moments just by, asking.
It's like adding a whole other dimension to photos. Suddenly those snapshots aren't just like static images anymore.
Yeah.
They become, well, real memories.
That's a great way to put it.
So what do you think? What will we be asking our photos a few years down the line?
Yeah, it's almost a little daunting, isn't it? We're entering this uncharted territory with AI, and it's kind of up to us to figure out where it goes from here.
It's exciting and honestly a little bit scary. But hey, that's the future for you.
Yeah.
Always changing.
That's so true. Well, on that note, we're going to wrap things up. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. Let us know what you think about Ask Photos.
Yeah, let us know.
We'll catch you in the next one.